Today we're looking at this 1911. I HPA tapped it. It was leaking like a sieve, he said, so I had to make a special adapter because it's so far recessed in there. I tried various adapters, but this is the best hookup that I came up with. We have some 0.25 BBs loaded. I've got my rig set up at 90 PSI. Put the little 11 round mag in here and then you'll be able to see the shots. 262, 262, 264, 264 again, 263, 262, 263, 263, 263, and that is all. No, there was a couple more BBs left. I can't really tell. Matter of fact, there's only one BB left in the whole magazine. So I'm going to put that back in there and see what the sound difference. My bad, too many BBs left. I'm guessing that it has a slightly different sound. I did it outside, so I don't really know what it sounded like inside here. Let's try this again. Shake these on. Oh, 186. Something's not right. 263. That one was goofed up. I don't know which. This should be empty. It is. You can hear it. So you're averaging 262 at 90 PSI. And that's the fitting we put in there. Works like a champ. Thanks for watching. This is for Rob. Wow.